Welcome to the module of digital transformation in governance. It is a big question that what has suddenly disrupted governance more? The recent unfortunate onslaught of COVID 19 or the rapid proliferation of emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence, immersive technologies, or digital platforms? My answer is both of them. COVID 19 jolted the comfort zone of governance, and emerging technologies, especially Industrial Revolution 4.0, helped to redefine a new normal for governance to sail over this onslaught. Digital transformation in governance has thus become a new normal. Let's look at some examples. For example, application of big data analytics and artificial intelligence have started supporting strategic management decisions, transactional management decisions, and operational decision making in governance to ensure that personalized and contextualized reliefs are provided to the citizens. Lengthy bureaucratic processes have already been swiftly transformed to provide citizens with presenceless, cashless, and paperless services. Example is direct benefit transfer, also called as DBT in India, where subsidies are directly transferred to the account of beneficiaries. Similarly, cloud computing in governance has become a norm. Each of us have a DigiLocker account in India, which has already become an established norm to share our travel license or even our university and school mark sheets. Emerging technologies such as Internet of Things or Internet of Everything, IoT or IoE, have already catalyzed mobility, collaboration of decision making, as well as connectivity across various governance actors in the federal structure of governance. Closer home in India, the Punjab Police has already started using social media such as Facebook page, Twitter account, and YouTube channels to counter the growing threat of gangsters and criminals. Elsewhere in the country, the digital footprint of criminals are being used to nab them. Indeed, digital transformation has already become the new governance paradigm. But what is digital transformation? Digital transformation is end to end digitalization and not digitization or automation. Digitalization is every aspect of the process is re engineered and then redefined using emerging technologies. Digital transformation also requires and insists on agile development of policies as well as newer formats of governance and not sequential strategies. Digital transformation requires and insists on dynamic collaboration between various actors of governance, such as private, public, academia, and innovators, and does not completely or only rely on conventional bureaucratic hierarchy. Thus, digital transformation is a complete 180-degree change and requires so much to learn and unlearn. In view of this, the present module is an attempt to respond to the urgency of appreciating the changing governance scenario because of emerging technologies. In this module, we would not just study what is digital transformation and governance and what does it mean, but we would also have special reference to India, the advents of Indian scenario, as well as issues and opportunities in Indian context. Keeping this in mind, after the completion of this basic module on digital transformation in governance, the learners shall be able to identify the role of emerging technologies in governance and its related applications in public sector. Number two, they would be able to understand the key concepts of digital transformation in governance. Number three, they would be able to differentiate between automation, digitization, and digitalization as applicable to governance. Number four, they would understand and appreciate the potential of big data and open data and artificial intelligence in predictive decision making. Number four, they would understand the convergence of technologies in Industry 4.0 and its impact on public service delivery to create Government 4.0. All these objectives would be fulfilled through 4 sessions. In the first session, we would talk about categories and examples of emerging technologies as well as their convergence explained through Industrial Revolution 4.0 or Industry 4.0 as it is called. In second session, we would talk specifically about what is key digital transformation and what are its key aspects. In the third session, we would move on to understand the implication of digital transformation in governance and talk about end-to-end digitalization, talk about need of agility as well as design thinking. The fourth session would talk about convergence of technologies and its impact on public service delivery through a case study and would also focus on issues and opportunities offered by such scenario. Then how is this particular module or stream unique? All of us are rattled by ever-changing trends in digital technologies as well as the changing set of needs and expectations of citizens. Keeping that in mind, what is important to understand is how to keep pace with this flux. This particular module would help us to unravel the fluid ecosystem of digital transformation as well as governance, where change is the only constant to understand. The whole strive of this module and stream is to update the learners in a gradual manner and build a strong foundation so that they treat emerging technologies as a potent tool, so that they understand governance processes where this tool could be applied more meaningfully, as well as respect the needs and aspirations of citizens who are the real reason of this digital transformation in governance. See you then in this module called as Digital Transformation in Governance. Till then, Jai Hind.